Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm doing a quick review on Conch AI. Now Conch AI has to do with AI writing that's undetectable. You can draft paper, generate study sets, and humanize AI text. It works very fast and it is free. Now as you can see, you just put in the text, select the part you want, and to give you citations if you want, you can get that. It also helps you. Someone will ask, what does it do? You can see write, study, and stay undetected. You can quickly generate initial drafts that sound like your past writing. You can use AI to quickly add sentences, reverse, and cite sources. You can study by turning lectures, PDFs, and notes into flashcards, summaries, and mind maps using Conch AI. It's also the stealth mode where you use the AI detector or humanizer to check for and bypass detection by GPT-0, turn it in, and more. You can also have the chat section where you ask AI anything and upload files for instant answer, like asking to summarize a document, for example. So you can see what are active users, happy users, store ratings, language available, about 10 plus languages available, a lot of testimonials, so you don't have to take their word for it. A lot of people have used it. If you have any questions, it's a free plan. Yes, all users who sign up get access to 10 free credits daily, which can be used across all their tools, practice writing, study, and stealth mode and chat. So there are so many things you can do. You can save 10 plus hours a week and pass any AI detection test by using it. Try it now, and no credit card is required. So Conch is about working smarter, not harder. What are you waiting for? Give it a try today.